Hello guys, this is Shreya and you are welcome in Shreya Knowledge Hub. Guys, today I am going to tell you that how can you within minutes create a website on WordPress. So guys, today I am going to create a website for my client. So I will tell you everything while working on his project. So guys, it will be very beneficial for you because you will learn everything while working on live site or live project. So guys, when you are going to create a website, you have the requirement of a domain and a server, what you also call a cPanel. So guys, here is the cPanel of my client. So I will tell you everything while working on his project. So guys, here we are going to start that how you will create a website on WordPress. So guys, when you are on your cPanel, here you have to go on featured application, or you have to search for featured application. Here is the option featured application, and there you have to create on WordPress, right? Here you will create on WordPress, and then here you will go on install this application. When you will click on WordPress, here you have to click on install this application, right? Here you will click on install this application, and after that here is the option of domain. It is selected by default, and then you have to select your own domain. Whatever is your domain, you have to select that. So guys, here it is our domain, that is http://www.babamarble.in. it is our domain, right? Now guys, it is optional, directory is optional, so we will leave it. And after that you have to choose all these options. You have to choose all these options very carefully, right? So here it is given I accept the license agreement, so here we will choose it, right? Then it is automatic update, so we will choose do not automatically update, right? And after that it is WordPress plugin automatically update, so here we will choose do not automatically update. And after that WordPress theme automatic update, then here we will also select do not automatically update WordPress themes, right? Then automatic update backup, so here we will select create a backup and automatically restore the backup if update fails. So here you can also choose your option. You can also choose do not create a backup. It depends upon you, whatever you want to choose. But here we will select create a backup and automatically restore the backup if the update fails, right? Now guys, here is the option administrator username. You can choose your username according to yourself, right? So here we will choose Baba Marble, right? Baba Marble, our username we will choose it as, right? Now we will choose our password. We have to enter our password, right guys? So here we will give our password, and after that you have to choose your email ID, right? So here we will select our email ID, and after that you have to give the title of your website. So our website name is Baba Marble, so we will choose it as our website title. And here you have to give your website tagline. Whatever you want to give, you can give, and if you want to leave, you can also leave it, right? It depends upon you, whatever you want to do, right? Now guys, next is two-factor authentication. If you want to give two-factor authentication, then you can give, and if you want to leave, then you can choose do not enable two-factor authentication, so we will choose it, right guys? Now guys, here is limit login attempts, so we will limit it, or we can by this option we can secure our website, or we can secure our WordPress, right? So guys, here we will select yes, limit fail login attempts for increased security, right guys? Now next is enable multi-site, so we will choose no, do not enable, right? Now guys, next is advanced setting management, so you can also choose let me manage these settings, and by default it is selected automatically manage advanced settings for me, so we will leave it as it is, right? Now you have to click on install this application, right? Now you will see that your WordPress will be installed, right? So guys, here you can see your WordPress is being installed now, and when your WordPress will be installed on your domain or for your website, then you can customize your website according to your needs. As you want to make your website, you can make it as it is. It depends upon you how you want to make it. How you want to make it, you can make according to yourself. Right guys, there you will get so many options for your customization of your website on WordPress. Right now guys, you can see that your WordPress is installed on your domain. Now guys, here you can see how your website will look in the beginning. Right, so here you will click on its domain or on its URL, that is www.babamarble.in. so here you can see your website will look like this in the beginning because we haven't done anything for it. Right now, it depends upon you how you want to customize it. Right guys, now guys, here is the link for your dashboard, that is WP admin is given in the is given after your domain name. It means it is the link for your WordPress. Right now guys, here it is given that exit to WordPress dashboard. You have to click on that. Right now it is given, are you sure once you leave you can't come back? So here you have to click on yes, I am sure, and after that here many options are given in front of you, so you have to select according to yourself what you want to choose. Right, so here it is question that why you are leaving. So here it is given, I don't like any of these template options, or I already have a different theme or template I plan on using. Right, so here I will click on that. Right now, after that, are you building this website for yourself or someone else? So here I will select I am building this site for myself or my organization. I am getting paid to build this site for someone else. I am building this site for someone else for free. So here I will choose this option, and after that you have to click on the link below. Right, it is given here, so you have to click on that. After that, here you will see your WordPress will be shown. Right now guys, here you have to click on maybe later, and after that you have to choose your theme, how you want to show your website, what you want to choose the theme for your website. So here you have to click on appearance, and after that you have to go on themes. Right guys, so guys, here you can see it is already by default set theme for your website, and here are many themes given. Right, so here you have to go on theme details firstly, and you have to delete this theme. It depends upon you, you can also do it later, but it will be very good for you when you will delete these themes, because guys, it will create so much load on your website. If you will not delete these themes, it will create load on your website and your website will load slowly. So here it is given add new option. Right, and after that when you will click on add new, then you have to go on upload theme. Right, and from here you can upload the theme for your website. Guys, it is already downloaded, we have already downloaded it. So here from here we will drag it. Right, and from here you have to click on install now. Right, and when you will click on install now, then your theme will be installed. Right, and whatever theme you want to install for your website, you can choose it. It depends upon you. We have already installed it to save your time. Right now guys, you can see theme installed successfully, and now you have to click on activate. Right, now when you will click on activate, then here are many options given. Theme demo import plugin is a must required plugin. So it depends upon you, you can download these plugins after also. Right, now you have to click on get started with SKT tiles. Right, it is a theme, it is the name of theme, so you have to click on that, and after that you have to click on install theme demo import. Right, when you will click on install theme demo import, then your theme will be installed successfully, and you have to activate from here. You have to click on activate. Right, When you will click on activate, then your theme will be activated, and from here you can install your plugins. Now guys, we will go on our website and we will refresh it, or you can also select it. You can also again go on Google and search for it, right? Now guys, from here you can customize your website. It is looking like this. As you can see in the beginning, your website will look like this, right? And from here you can customize it, or you can also go on your WordPress, and here you have to go on appearance and then you can click on customize. Again you will go on same window, right? Same thing will open in front of you. So guys, you can also go from there, also you can go from your dashboard also, right? So guys, here from here you can customize your website. Here it is given basic, then header, front page, footer. So we will go on header, right? From here you can choose the header of your website. Here we will go on site title and logo, right? Whatever you want to do, you can do. You want to how you want to customize your website, you can customize it. It depends upon you, right? So guys, here it is given SKT stone. So here we will go on image, right? And here we will go on logo image, and there firstly we will remove it, right? When we will remove it, then you can see it is given text here already by default, because we have already given our title before. So it is selected from here. So here you can also give your another title, right? You can give whatever you want to give the title, and from here you can select the color. We will choose the white color, right? So here you can choose how your title will look like, and from here you have to publish it, right? So guys, here you can see how your website title will look like, right? Now guys, here we will refresh it again, and here you can see how your title will look like, right guys? Now guys, in our next video I will tell you more that how can you customize your website, right guys? So guys, please watch our next videos also, because we will tell you everything, how can you create your website and how can you customize it according to yourself, everything while working on this project, right guys? So if you want to learn more, then please watch our next video and our upcoming videos also. And guys, if you liked our video, then please press the like button, and if you have any doubts, then please ask us in the comment section. We will definitely resolve all your problems. And guys, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get the latest video updates of my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video guys.